Recording start. Yes. So questions.
Can I ask, sir?
Yes, Ashnath.
Sir, yes, sir. Can I share my screen, sir? I have some doubt. So,
Sure.
yeah, yeah, sir. I think my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, screen is visible. तुम कहाँ लेटे हुए हो?
Sir, uh,
Yes.
I didn't understand, sir.
Where are you
Where are
lying down in this photo?
I supposed to be Spider-Man, but yeah, that's not possible. So, I'm
Oh,
in Reflected Delhi right now, sir.
okay. Yes.
Sir, so yeah, sir. While you were explaining this question, sir, this is an 8 input AND gate.
Hmm.
This is a 8 input logical gate.
Hmm.
So this can be done in any way. We can do this as such or as such, and we can do it in
Hmm.
4 ways.
Yeah.
And here we are executing this OR gate with the help of CMOS logic, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Even this 8 input
Yeah, yeah.
NAND
All is
gate is
CMOS.
CMOS
As
logic.
of now, everything is CMOS. Yes.
Yes, sir. Everything is CMOS. So yeah, here my question arises. So I literally I don't know why, but I got this idea in exam and I have done it such. So this was the question in exam,
Mm-hmm.
and I have applied two inverters. I'm like two bars above, and
Hmm.
I've literally split that using De Morgan's law,
Mm-hmm.
and I've used three NOR gates. I've used three stages to do this question.
Mm-hmm.
So first when I saw this question, the first idea that struck my mind was this, sir. To be honest.
Okay.
So
Fine.
yeah, so I don't think there's any issue if we solve the problem as such, because yeah, we can do that. I'm like even there is a I'm like there's
Yeah, it
a
will just be suboptimal in terms of delay and area.
yeah,
That's it.
that's it, right, sir. So yeah,
Yeah.
that was my
So
doubt,
that's
sir.
a, see, logically it is same, but it is suboptimal in terms of delay and area. So there could be some loss in, like, area is gold and VLSI. So you do not
Yes,
really want to see the entire purpose of using AOIs and OAIs is that they are better in terms of area, power, and delay. All three of them.
yes, sir. So
That
yeah,
was
sir.
the intent
I
of
will.
using
I'm like
AOIs in
yeah.
the first place.
I'll say why I've used this exact. I'm like only this, but not that way.
Mm-hmm.
When I was in middle of this, I'm like when I was in middle of doing this thing, then I thought of that way. But yeah, I'll explain why I took only this method and I didn't move to that method. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, sir, this is the same thing we'll be using NOR gates, and I'll be doing as such. So I got this
Yeah.
diagram, and
Yeah.
I'll be sizing my NOR gates accordingly.
Hmm.
So even my diffusion, this becomes pretty easy. So yeah, for everything it's same. So even the
Mm-hmm.
diffusion becomes, and yeah, for all the three gates it will be same.
Mm-hmm.
Unless and until we are specific about the output capacitance, we can't. We can't exactly write the numbers of this exactly, because yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, I have done this, sir. I have done the sizing. I have given the same for the inverter even, and I have found propagation delay for each gate. And the propagation delay is supposed to be for a specific gates, right? So
Mm-hmm.
propagation delay and contamination delay, I have found it for these both gates separate,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and that's it. I am done, sir. And yeah, that's it, sir. Because we are supposed to find this question, and even this question, literally, everyone solved this in this way manner.
Yeah, because that is what is OAI, na? Aura and invert. This is how you implement an OAI. This is less number of transistors, denser, lesser
Ah,
power.
yes,
Everything is
sir.
better in this.
Actually, okay. So the reason why I took this was because we were only I'm like only involved in a delay part, but I didn't see any kind of area part. I'm like area being specified, and I'm like I didn't find any. Okay,
Yeah,
so
because
they were
we
speaking about
specified area in the first class, Vaishnav.
yes,
In
sir.
the
Yes,
first class, we already specified that area is gold. Is it not?
yes, sir. I'm like I agree with that, but
Yeah.
in terms of delay, given a perfect given a optimal load, then I think this method which this method which I took would give less delay, sir. According to me, even if the load is a bit high, then I think this method would be giving a much more precise answer. I was thinking of all this during examination, and I thought, okay, So I didn't do any mistake, to be honest, because yeah, we can do this in both
Yeah,
the
yeah.
ways.
You can always do it in both the ways. The intent was to take you to the concept of OAIs,
And like,
and
okay,
that
sir.
OAIs are denser. See, the intent of the question or the midsem exams or these things is not just to test what you know. It is not to prove you wrong. It is to also help you learn some new concepts. Do you realize that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know? So we wanted to introduce the concept of OAIs and OAYs to you.
Yes, sir. And like, I was a bit afraid now. I'm like, will this question be marked or will it be literally given zero? Because according to my answer, sir, there's no mistake anywhere. I'm like, there is literally no
Yeah,
mistake.
yeah. There is no mistake anywhere. They will evaluate. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm like, I was really afraid because this was an 8 marks question, and if I miss it somewhere, then yeah,
Yeah. So
okay.
do you now see that after you've done the analysis yourself later, do you see that it will be denser if you go to the AOI approach?
Yes, sir. I knew that when I was, I knew that when I was solving this question in middle only, sir. But the
Mm.
reason why I took this was, I was saying that the reason why I took this was if we increase the number of stages, so given a particular amount of load, then the part delay would be less in this one only, sir. First one only. I'm like, I can prove that if you give me any kind of load or something proportionally, then yeah, part delay would be
Yeah.
much less in this stage, in this diagram only. I was
Yeah.
thinking about
Because
that.
you're not, as of now, I have not given you any method to estimate capacitances of interconnects. Na?
Interconnect capacity.
You're ignoring interconnects, the wires that would be used to connect gate one, the outputs of
Yes, yes,
stage one to the inputs of stage two.
yes,
है
sir.
ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're also ignoring the concept that when you actually use three stages in the design, in the SOC, then what happens is that those three stages could be placed far apart.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So those wire capacitances can be much larger actually.
Yeah, sir. For that,
And if
I
you,
think we have to
yeah.
go
So
with that.
all those things would come into picture, Vaishnav.
Yes, sir. I do
You
understand,
know?
sir.
So your answer is not wrong. It is not optimal. That's it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
And we
Sir,
wanted to take you to the optimal solution.
sir, and one more thing, sir. And like I have seen many people asking about one question, sir. The TPDR delay, which was mentioned in the class, sir. I think
Hmm.
that was, and like there was a calculation mistake in that. So it was supposed to be 15 plus 5h into RC, but yeah, it was written as 9 plus 5h into RC. Yeah, before exams, many people were asking this question to me.
I'm sorry.
Yes, I'm like, shall I show that in slides, sir, if that's okay? I'm
Yeah,
like,
please.
yes, sir, yes.
Sir, I also think that the solution that Vaishnav showed, I think he took the diffusion capacitance to be 12C. Is it like, I mean, I don't know, but I just had a glance over it.
No, I
Once,
didn't even check that.
I'll show that.
Vaishnav, did you take like 12C?
Wait, one second, I'll show you. Yeah, it's not 12C. I'm like, according to my answer, it's not 12C. Okay,
No,
I'm like,
no,
okay.
in the
Last one.
schematic.
Actually, last one, no, this one. This is not my answer, to be honest. This was some. I'm like, I took it
Okay,
from
okay.
some others. I'm like, I'm not sure about this. I didn't even calculate this. Yeah, I made the sizing, but yeah, I don't think even this is right because we are supposed to. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll do that once if
So
you.
it was supposed to be 6C, right? Because we are taking the shade thing was mentioned, I think, in the question that
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have to take
it depends on the stick diagram that you're using.
Okay, but sir, it has mentioned that we had to use a shared thing. We had to
Yeah, yeah. So in yeah, yeah.
So,
I
sir, but like, if we are giving that we have to use the shared type of kind of implementation, then only like one kind of stick diagram is possible, or like there can be multiple.
there could be multiple. Someone may end up sharing VDD instead of output.
Okay. Okay,
You know?
yeah. So, but then, as per the delay thing, it wouldn't be optimal,
Yeah,
right?
it will not be optimal. Yes, so that would be wrong. But yeah, answer could be different.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Now you asked me if it is possible. I'm saying yes, it is possible. People will do it.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So I think it should be 10C, right? If I'm not wrong. I'm not sure, but yeah,
It
I
depends
like this.
on the stick diagram, Vaishnav. Drop it away.
Sir, I think the lowest was possible like 6C, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try it once again, sir. Yes. 1 second, sir. I'll show.
And so in the same like question, like when we are calculating the CD contamination delay rising, so
Mm-hmm.
sir, if we have calculated something like that, if we chose one path only,
Mm-hmm.
like there were two parallel paths, we choose only one path and we calculate as per the Elmore delay, and then we
Mm-hmm.
divide that delay by two.
Hmm.
Considering, so that would be the correct, that would be a correct approach to the answer. I mean, I was just saying, confirming that.
Why do you divide by two?
Sir, I think that because when we are seeing the contamination delay, both our paths should be on, right? Because we want it to be the best
Yeah.
delay. But
Yeah.
I'm using one path only for the Elmore delay calculation. Like,
No, you can use both the paths. Like you can make a RC model by using both the paths also, no?
sir, look, for example, yeah, I made the RC model, but
Hmm.
like if I chose the path, say if I draw the path from say VDD to the
Yeah. So
output one.
in that context, Raghav, as we discussed even in the last office hours, you would use the other circuit simplification techniques like mirroring. कि दोनों parts symmetrical हैं, so you would say that okay, our resistance is half. You would do the mirroring part and you would do it. You can simplify the logic. Yes, you're right. Final
Okay,
answer would be that. But you will
okay.
need to do some circuit analysis. Use simple circuit analysis techniques that you must have learned in your first year or second year circuit analysis courses.
Okay, okay. So, but like, sir, like if I like in we do in the propagation delay, we take the one path only, and we do the if we find that
Yeah.
Elmore delay. But like if I start from my that propagation delay approach only, but I divide by half, so would that be a correct or would be a wrong approach? Because
Uh,
if I'm finding a parallel
if
path,
you if the circuit is symmetrical and you say that okay because it is symmetrical I am doing it like that, that is fine.
okay, okay, sir, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Vaishnav.
Sir, here the driver, I'm like the VDD position is over here, and we
Hmm.
are going from here to Y, right, sir?
Hmm.
So yeah, when I make an Elmore delay, I'll be writing R into 9 plus 5H into C
Hmm.
plus 3C plus 3C.
Plus 3C plus 3C.
Yeah, which are out of the path. I'm starting from here,
Huh.
so yeah.
Because they are not in the
Mm. Yeah, even
uh,
they are not. If
okay.
they are not in the diagram, I'm like even they are not in the path, we'll be considering in Elmore delay model. So
Yeah, but uh,
Sir, I think, sir, in the Veste book, the solution was given to be like 15
15
because
plus
they
5.
had they
Yeah.
had considered that below resistance to be like the kind of the floating capacitance, like the
yeah,
capacitance.
inactive because those capacitances are floating. That's why they
Yeah,
ignored it. Yes.
so they have taken that. And so,
Yeah.
like one more thing in the same is actually in the schematic only. I wanted to ask one thing that, like when you draw the 3C, right? The shade diffusion in
Mm-hmm.
between the, but like they you once explained that when we asked, you said that that because we are sharing the
Diffusion. Yes.
vision, yeah. So, but like in the Vestige, they have written that we have shorted something like that. So I was shorted there meaning the same thing. I mean, they're trying to say the same thing.
And that is what they intend. Yes.
Okay,
Shorted drain and source. I'm like between drain and source regions.
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Sir, so even okay, so even I feel if I see the diagram and if I try to make an Elmore model, then okay, I don't know what's floating capacitor exactly, but yeah, even I feel the 6C should be added in this, sir.
Okay.
I'm like okay, sir. That's what I want. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I'm stopping my
Sure.
presentation. Thank you.
So, Moin, Gagandeep, how was the midsem exam for you guys? अरे Hello. Chalo. Any more questions?
Yes, sir. So I had some conceptual questions. So like in
Yeah.
the logical effort,
Hmm.
if given that I have a output capacitance that needs to be driven and I know the input capacitance, then if I know the topology, I know that my capital F will be the same, and then I'm doing kind of logical effort to find the appropriate stage
Hmm.
delay. So, but like in that case, I need to know, like you said, that this would help us in data paths construction. But so that, for example, in the inverter case, when we know that everything is inverter and number of stages, so we could, because we know when we know that they, if we are considered a inverter stage only, so we know that all the gates will be inverter, and
Hmm.
then we can simplify in such that those we can also come up to a number of stages second problem, like what would be the optimal number of stages. So, but
Hmm.
if there are other gates involved, so
Hmm.
then this logical effort basically won't help us, right? Because I need to know the exact gate types and the number of gates.
नहीं. So, if जैसा you remember the example of decoder where we said that there are six, five address bits or six address bits, and we want to go to the output word line selection. Yeah, this was the example that we considered. है ना?
So, I think
So
so.
the
Recall me.
last example in the last example where we saw that there are so many ways in which a decoder can be implemented, a memory recorder can be implemented, है ना? And then we found out the minimum delays in which had the minimum delay and minimum area, and we chose that one,
Okay. So,
है
but
ना?
like,
So you can have, so if you do not know the only topology, you can explore with multiple topologies, and you will just do this exercise multiple times,
okay.
and then you compare those topologies. But again, you're not designing those on on CAD. You're not simulating each of those topologies. Just by back of the envelope calculations, you will be able to compare the PP of two topologies.
Okay, like so if I had a topology number of stages, then I can do that calculation very
Yeah,
fast.
exactly. And
And so
आपके दो या तीन topologies का iterations होंगे. अभी जो AND gate वाला example ही था, the 8 input AND gate. There were three topologies there. So we
yeah,
quickly do the analysis and we know which one to use. है ना?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so one more thing, sir, for example, that you gave us that when we have a very high buffer output, sorry, very high
Mm-hmm.
load, and we can use inverter stages as a buffer to drive the strength. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
for example, हमने एक इन्वर्टर स्टेजेस डाल दी. अब मान लीजिए जैसे एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी था मिड सेम में कि आप इसको बताइए कि इसका क्या कर सकते हो, मतलब हाउ कैन यू रिड्यूस द डिले, इज इट ड्रॉप
Hmm.
मोस्ट ऑप्टिमल. सो वन थिंग इज दैट कि वी ऐड टू बफर्स एंड देन 4 देन 6 काइंड ऑफ दैट इंक्रीज अप्रोच. सो
Hmm.
बट फॉर एग्जांपल उसमें जैसे हम डिले हमारा बहुत रिड्यूस हो गया, इफ यू हैव रिड्यूस द डिले, बट
बढ़ाना
हमारा
था, डिले बढ़ाना था ना, क्या था?
नो सर
मिडसम
डिले
का
हमें
क्वेश्चन.
नहीं सर, मतलब जो उसमें था कि हमें बताना था कि इज इट द ऑप्टिमल ऑप्टिमल डिले.
ओके.
तो the first जिसमें कोई inverters नहीं है, then basically we got a delay, and if we add inverters we can reduce the delay.
हम्म.
So sir, for example जैसे उसमें एरिया का तो मेंशन नहीं था, बट वैसे सर मान लीजिए कि मैंने डिले रिड्यूस कर दिया, बट मेरा
हम्म.
जो इन्वर्टर होगा उससे एडिशनल एरिया आएगा.
हम्म.
सर बट लाइक ऑल्सो सर जैसे कि हमारे पास एक जो गेट्स होता है तो हमें उसका एक एक वैल्यू मिल जाता है, राइट, जो हम लिख देते हैं उसको कि हम सेम वी से दैट कि द सीन इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू दैट एरिया एंड वी राइट एट वन नंबर लाइक 8 और 12 जो हम लिख देते हैं गेट पे. सर बट लाइक इफ वी हैव से an a number like coming to be 50 on an inverter, how
हम्म.
do I compare that number with a different kind of gate? फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंड में क्या है, क्योंकि सर मुझे जैसे मैं जब एरिया कैलकुलेट करता हूँ तो मैंने एक निकाल दिया डिले और फिर मैंने इन्वर्टर डाल के एरिया निकाल दिया, सारे मैंने जो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज आ रहे थे मेरे जो सी आउट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉर्मूला यूज करके, तो मैंने वो
हम्म.
सारे ऐड कर दिए. बट सर अ हायर नंबर फॉर एन इन्वर्टर, maybe it could be less, maybe it is not as will consume as much area as compared to and में चाहे वो छोटा नंबर भी हो, तो उस सेंस में मैं एरिया का कंपैरिजन कैसे करूंगा, मतलब ये चीज मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुई थी.
नहीं नहीं, अगर आपने इन्वर्टर को
सो लाइक कि जैसे मान लीजिए कि मैंने एक टोपोलॉजी है नॉर की और इन्वर्ट नॉर की एंड की, एंड उसके बाद तो उसमें मान लीजिए हमारा 10 आ रहा है एंड पे और 8 आ रहा है नॉर पे, तो मैं एरिया लिख देता हूँ 18। अब मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने वही चीज़ जो है 2 एडिशनल इन्वर्टर्स डाल दिए। अब इन्वर्टर्स डालने के बाद जो मेरा
नहीं, एक मिनट, आप एरिया 18 नहीं लिखते हो, आप कहते हो कि किसी भी इनपुट का जो लोड है वो 10 है, तो आप कहते हो कि मेरे को नैंड गेट है तो मेरे को ये 10 जो है वो पीमॉस और एनमॉस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, तो आप 5 का पीमॉस रखते हो, 5 का एनमॉस रखते हो,
यस
है ना?
सर,
और अगर नॉर है तो आप 8 का पीमॉस रखोगे और 2 का एनमॉस रखोगे, और उसी तरह से सेकंड पीमॉस आल्सो विल बी ऑफ 8 एंड द सेकंड एनमॉस विल आल्सो बी ऑफ 2, तो 8 प्लस तो आपका 20 हो जाएगा, दूसरी तरफ भी हाँ 20 हो जाएगा, हाँ दैट विल गिव यू एन एस्टिमेट ऑफ एरिया। यस, ओके, आगे।
सर जैसे कि आपने उसमें भी क्या किया था जब हम बेसिकली डिफरेंट जिसमें हमने डेटा हमने एरिया और उसका कंपैरिजन किया था डिलेज का। तो सर जैसे कि मान लीजिए मेरा आप इन्वर्टर का आया साइज मान लीजिए 30, उसमें 30 आ रहा है न्यूमेरिकल में, तो मैं जब एज अ बैकअप देन मतलब एरिया कैलकुलेशन करता हूँ तो आई जस्ट ऐड द नंबर्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग ऑन द गेट्स, बेसिकली 8 प्लस 30 प्लस
हाँ ठीक
तो
है,
आई विल गेट अ नंबर। सर बट
हाँ
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि जैसे मैंने जब इन्वर्टर्स बढ़ाए मैंने, तो एरिया मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रास्टिकली बढ़ गया ना, मतलब नंबर वैल्यू 30 थी और मेरा इन्वर्टर से है कि उस समय 60 पहुंच गया वो। बट मैं ये बोल रहा था कि बिकॉज इन्वर्टर इज अ लेस कॉम्प्लेक्स गेट, तो अगर सेम अगर मैं इन्वर्टर पे 30 लिखा रहा है और सेम एंड पे 30 लिखा है तो दोनों का एरिया डिफरेंट होगा ना सर। बट ये चीज जो है जो हमारा लॉजिकल एफर्ट से जो हमें
हाँ
मिलता है,
ये देखो लॉजिकल एफर्ट के अंदर अगर आपको एग्जैक्ट देखो वही है, राघव, फिर बात वहीं आ गई, you know what I was telling Vaishnav that in the class that you can try to be as accurate as you want to be. It will just make your analysis more complex and you will no longer be able to do back of the envelope calculations.
okay,
Logical effort is a very top level picture. Very top level picture.
okay,
And when you will actually implement in the layout, there will be so many little things. Instead of exactly double the area, you will actually probably see that the area goes 2.2 times or area grows 1.8 times. Fine. How does it matter? It still is in that same ballpark figure. Almost twice. है ना?
सर एक्चुअली मैंने इसलिए पूछा कि जैसे एक क्वेश्चन था हमारे उसमें, तो जैसे हमें डिले के लिए ऑप्टिमाइज करना था, राइट? तो जैसे मैंने जब हमने इन्वर्टर की 2 स्टेज डाली, तो मान लीजिए मेरा जो इन्वर्टर की वजह से जो टोटल एरिया था, जो मेरा टोटल एरिया था वो मेरा बढ़ के लाइक समझ लीजिए 27-28 से बढ़ के मान लीजिए वो 90 के अराउंड पहुंच गई जब मैं सबको ऐड कर रहा हूँ। बट मेरा जो एंड के लिए जो फर्स्ट टोपोलॉजी में कोई इन्वर्टर नहीं है, उसमें मेरा नॉर का जो मैं एरिया फिगर मान रहा हूँ, जो भी मान रहा हूँ एक्स मान रहा हूँ जो इनपुट, वो मैं मान लीजिए 20 के अराउंड है, 27-28 है। बट सेकेंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में वो 26-27 से घट के वो लाइक 4-5 हो गया है। बट दूसरे केस दो इसमें नॉर का एरिया बहुत ज्यादा रिड्यूस हो गया मेरा, बट मेरा ओवरऑल एरिया बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्वर्टर स्टेजेस वो बहुत बढ़ चुका है। तो मैं इसलिए सोच रहा था कि मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि मुझे लग रहा है कि यार ओवरऑल फिगर तो बहुत बढ़ गया है, बट मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि ये जो ओवरऑल फिगर जो मुझे दिखा रहे कि इट हैज बिकम लाइक थ्राइस और ट्वाइस, ये काफी एक्यूरेट है उस सेंस में, बिकॉज एक नॉर गेट भी ना मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स गेट, उसका एरिया रिड्यूस अगर हो रहा है तो दैट इज मोर इफेक्टिव देन अगर हमारे एंड इन्वर्टर की वजह से थोड़ा कुछ बढ़ भी रहा है, बिकॉज इन्वर्टर का सेम नंबर जो है शायद से वो कम एरिया यूज करेगा एज कम्पेयर टू दैट। तो मुझे इसलिए कंफ्यूजन आ गया था कि जब हमने सर आपने जब वो एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस किया था तो उसमें यू वर कंसिडरिंग ओनली द इन्वर्टर्स, एंड इसलिए वहाँ पे हमारा एरिया सॉरी की वो जो एनालिसिस तो काफी सिंप्लीफाइड हो गया था।
नहीं, जो हमारा एनालिसिस था उसमें एक एंड गेट था और फिर इन्वर्टर्स। अच्छा, नहीं, एक एंड गेट था ना, एक नैंड गेट टाइप्स था ना इनिशियली, या नहीं था? सारे इन्वर्टर्स ही थे बस?
याद शायद से
इन्वर्टर्स सर,
सारे इन्वर्टर्स थे। बट व्हाट अबाउट द अदर एनालिसिस जहाँ पे हमने डिकोडर बनाया था, वहां पे तो था।
सर उसको मैं एक बारी ऐसे रिव्यू करूंगा, बट सर जैसे अच्छा ओके ठीक है सर।
And the decoder analysis, there were other gates and then inverters were there.
ओके ठीक है सर, उसको मैं एक बार रिव्यू कर लूंगा। बट सर वैसे जैसे कि अगर मेरे पास फिगर आ रहा है एरिया को फिगर, तो आई कैन कंसीडर दैट कि मेरा ट्रेंड जो होगा दो इट विल बी मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन ओनली।
Yes. It's more of a trend. देखो, it's more of a estimate. It's not the actual number. Actual numbers will be different, yes, obviously.
Okay.
But then you cannot really actual numbers ko to you really need the layout, DRC, LGS clean layout to say, na?
Yeah. Yes,
You
sir.
cannot make two such layouts and then say, oh, I will use this one because the other one is larger in area. You want to save your effort.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
और सर एक क्वेश्चन था कि जैसे सर हमारा जो इनिशियल आपने लॉजिकल एफर्ट स्टार्ट किया था, तो ये सेट दैट कि एज गेट का डिले कैन बी सेट टू बी f+p, राइट? तो सर वो जो चीज है दैट इज बेसिकली ट्रू वेदर वी कंसिडर दैट इज कंसिडर्ड फॉर ऑल द सिचुएशंस, राइट?
दोबारा से बोलो,
सर
व्हाट
जैसे आपने
कंडीशन?
बोला था कि सर व्हेन वी आर स्टार्टिंग द लॉजिकल एफर्ट, तो आपने इक्वेशन दी थी d = f+p, फिर हमने उसको करके फिर हमने लाइक बाद में इसको लॉजिकल
हाँ.
एफर्ट हाँ, तो सर मैं
Yes.
एक क्वेश्चन था कि अगर मान लीजिए मेरे पास अगर मैं एक डेटा पाथ का एक मेरे पास बड़ा डेटा पाथ है जिसमें मान लीजिए इंटरकनेक्ट भी ग्लोबल डेटा पाथ है, ग्लोबल राउटिंग कुछ ऐसा कुछ है, तो उसमें मेरा इंटरकनेक्ट भी आ जाएंगे, वो सब भी चीजें आ जाएंगी। तो सर उस केस में भी जो d+f वाला फॉर्मूला है फॉर ईच स्टेज, ये तो एप्लीकेबल होगा ना?
हाँ, एप्लीकेबल होगा। वो आपको पी को बहुत केयरफुली देखना पड़ेगा। अगर आपके बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी कैपेसिटेंसेस पिक्चर में आ रही हैं, तो पी वो नहीं चलेगा जो हमने सिंपल नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स के हिसाब से बना लिया था। Then you will have to put in some estimate of those capacitances in there, loads in there.
तो जैसे
So logical effort का limitation देखो ये है that it does not accept load capacitances intermediately in the path. It assumes there is only one load capacitance at the end.
यस सर,
है ना? तो अगर आप बीच में लगाओगे तो आपका जो लॉजिकल एफर्ट का एनालिसिस है वो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होता जाएगा. इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट टू हैंडल इट. इट डज नॉट रिमेन एज सिंपल.
या डेफिनेटली सर.
बस
सर तो उस केस में हमें ऐसा करना पड़ेगा ना कि लाइक वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग डी फॉर ईच एवरी स्टेजेस एंड देन वी विल ऐड ऑल द
तो आपको जो एक्स्ट्रा कैपेसिटेंस हर तरफ है वो आपको हर एच के लिए कैलकुलेट हर स्टेज के लिए एच अलग से कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा.
यस सर, वो हो जाएगा. सर
हाँ,
पी में क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा सर, वो नहीं समझा था.
जी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
पी में यू सेड पी.
नहीं, वो आपने क्योंकि कैपेसिटेंस को वहां पे ब्लॉक कर दिया तो पी में भी नहीं पड़ेगा. अगर आपने कैपेसिटेंस वहां पे फिजिकली प्लेस कर दी अपने एनालिसिस में कि ओके दिस विल लीड टू दिस काइंड ऑफ एनालिसिस, देन पी विल नॉट चेंज.
यस सर, ओके,
ठीक है ना?
यस सर. एंड सर वन मोर थिंग सर, आपने एक और चीज बोली, जब हम डिले देखते हैं तो डिले को रिड्यूस करने के लिए हमें वी कैन इंक्रीज द वीडीडी लाइक सप्लाई थिंग. बट एक और चीज थी ना कि हमारी जो वीडीडी होता है, जो लेवल होता है, वो हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी से लिंक्ड होता है कि मतलब सर मतलब वो चीज कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं? मतलब फिर हम अगर वो फिक्स्ड है, वो तो लाइक किसी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का अगर मैं बोलूंगा तो उसके लिए तो हमारा एक वो फिक्स हो जाएगा, तो इंक्रीज वाला चीज कहाँ से आ रही है सर? वो सेंस नहीं बना, वो मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ सर.
नहीं, वो वोल्टेज स्केलिंग हम आगे देखेंगे राघव. वी विल सी कि हम अगर हमें थोड़ा बहुत परफॉर्मेंस को ऊंचा नीचा करना होता है, देन देयर इज अ मेथड ऑफ स्केलिंग वोल्टेजेस अडैप्टिवली एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर.
ओके 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 सर, थैंक यू सर.
ओके, या
Sir, a small doubt, sir. I'm like,
यस.
sir, while you were explaining about the, I'm like, 3 input wala. 1 second, sir. Actually, while you were explaining in one of the questions, sir, there was a three stage structure, and we got our optimal, I'm like best effort as, sorry, we got our stage delay as 5, and we have added parasitics to that, and 5 into 3 plus we got it as 7 or something. It's 22, and you wrote it as side of that you have written it as 4.4. Sir, I didn't understand how did we get 4.4 exactly, sir. I'm like, I thought at first I thought we are making a cube root out of it, so that we'll get 4.4. But yeah, cube root was not. I'm like, uh, not to be precise on numbers, but I was not getting the same value of 4.4.
I'm not able to recollect the slide, Vaishnav.
Can I
you show
share?
that?
Yeah.
Please.
There's something fan out of 4 words written.
Yes, sir. Fan out of 4. Delay fan out of 4.
Okay. So basically, I would say fan out of 4 or stage ratio को देखने के लिए you should always see that a stage ratio of anywhere between 2 to 6, 2.5 to 6 would give you good results in terms of delay. That is the base thing that you should understand. Okay.
Yes.
So इन्वर्टर चेन के हिसाब से तो वो हमारा 3.6 आया था, राइट?
Yeah. So anything between, जो हमने उसके बाद एक ग्राफ दिखाया था ना, anything between 2 to 6 would be fine. It's shown that graph also.
This one.
नहीं?
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
I saw it just now, sir. But 1 second, sir. I'll find it. 1 second. I think this was.
Bhai, tell
Yes,
me
sir.
one thing. Is the concept clear? You
Yes,
want
sir,
it
the
to be
concept
somewhere
is clear.
between 2.5 to 6.
Ah, yes, sir. That's clear. But
And
I
you would
didn't
use
understand.
larger stage ratios if it is very capacitive load, and you would use smaller stage ratios if the load is mostly gate load.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That is what you should keep in mind.
Yes, sir. So yeah, sir. This is the point where we got 2.2, and I don't know why this not changing. But after this, we got 4.4 over here, and there was a F4.
हटाओ वो वहाँ पे white block होगा एक, उसको हटा दो.
Right.
Yeah, remove.
This is 4.4 F4. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what is the delay? So this delay is being said as 4.4 times the delay of a fan out 4 gate.
Okay. I know.
FO stands for fan out over here. Fan
Okay,
out code.
so we are dividing this with 3.59.
Yeah,
Okay. Sir, understood. Understood, sir. Thank you.
3.59.
Or
No, dividing it by something more than that.
I think we'll be getting 4.4 if we divide it with 5. Yeah, that's between 2.4 to 6. That's the reason
Yes.
why we are taking 5.
Exactly.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any more questions? Shoaib, Devajit, Gagandeep.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had a doubt in inverter step response, sir. In there, you made two current curves. I was not able to understand why, sir. Because at any instant, one of the MOS will be off, so
Why?
current through them will be.
When the input is rising and the input is at VDD by 2, which one will be off? Both will be conducting something. Right?
So can you repeat that actually?
So when the
Connection.
input is rising and the input is at VDD by 2, it is not fully risen yet. It is at VDD by 2. So what happens? Which one of the two will you consider as off?
Okay, at that time both will be on, sir.
Yeah. So we were looking at the DC transfer curve. And at that time we needed to see everything. How things move when the input goes from 0 to VDD and stuff like that.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay? Yeah. Anything else? If there are no questions, we can close the call. Okay, why do you want? Okay. So if everyone is done, then we can close the call. Gagandeep wants to ask something. I can stop the recording then.
Sir, one small thing, sir.
Yes, Devajit.
Just before. So there was a little bit of confusion regarding the means in our DVD project group. Means actually from the starting we were 3 members, but since you told to include one BTech member as well, so means now we are a total of 4 members. So means we asked some of our seniors and we got to know that last year in DVD none of the members means there were no 4-member groups. So would that be a problem or regarding the selection of projects and things like that?
Don't worry, you will see. A good idea would be ask one of your members to go and join one of the BTech groups. Okay, they are searching for mentors. They
Okay.
are searching for people who are MTech students. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so others can leave. Gagandeep wants to talk something. I can stop the recording.